Hi guys, let's see how to use filter function to filter data sets. So let's say we have this set of data and we want to filter few results. Let's say we want to filter those countries who have returned items greater than 10,000. There may be different kind of conditions. Okay, so let's say how to use it. I have typed the heading by myself so that it gets more clear for you. Now double click on the first cell, type equals to, and then type filter. Click on the filter suggestion which you are getting. Now it shows the first input is range and the second, third and so on are the conditions. Okay, so you can have one condition or multiple conditions. Now first input is range, so we will select the whole data. Okay, now it has been selected. Now just type comma. Now we have to give the condition. So we want those fields, those rows which have returned items greater than 10,000. So we'll select this and then type equals to greater than 10,000. Okay, and close the bracket, hit enter, and that's it. All those items which are greater than 10,000 have been here. Now if I edit it, let's say we write less than 5,000. Okay, less than 5,000, and then select, and then it is showing all the results of those countries where returned items are less than 5,000. Okay, so in this way, now let's say we want those items where with this condition there is also one more condition where red flags is less than 4. Okay, so we want those results. So what we will do, we will add one more condition. So within the bracket, just type one more comma, select that range with which you want to put the condition and type less than equals to 4. And when you will click somewhere else, those results will be displayed where the returned item is less than 5,000, red flags is less than 4. Okay, so in this way you can use the filter function very easily. Thanks for watching. Please do like the